week's episode of Out and About with Ali. I am so excited because today we are kayaking here on the stunning Colorado River at Willow Beach here in Vegas. Little bit different, it's beautiful. I'm excited, woohoo!
And what a perfect way to start your day. The water was so calm, the sky was so blue. Look at that view. Willow Beach was perfection. Even the kayaks were cute. Now it was time to meet the man in charge.
I'm here with fellow Brit, the owner of Veteran Kayaks. It's Brett.
Hello everybody.
I am so happy to be here. Thanks for having us. What's ahead for today?
We're going to head towards the Hoover Dam. We're going to stop at what is known as the Gauges Station and the Gauges House, Emerald Cave, Falcon Cave, and we're going to have a good old time.
Yeah, I'm going to get my sunscreen on, but yeah, I'm excited. Let's do this.
With a helping hand from Brett, I was off on my way, covered in a lot of sunscreen.
How cool is this? We are kayaking down the Colorado River. Woo-hoo! And it's gorgeous. We're headed down here. Let's go.
It really was magical.
It's like I've got the whole place to myself because there's people in the distance. It's incredible. Sun is shining. The cold water really helps. But yeah, 10 out of 10 for this tour. Must do in Vegas. 100%. Whee! I'm way behind.
That's what I get for doing too many selfies.
Someone come and get me an Uber. Kayak Uber. We are approaching one of the caves. Brett has just pointed out how amazing that we're only 45 minutes away from the strip. Kayaking down the river. It's stunning. It's hot, but we're fully hydrated. We stopped for some snacks and a break, and now it's time to go in the cave. So far, so good. We're about to go in. We're inside. Woo! How cool! I'm going in. We're reversing. So cool.
One by one, the group reversed in, and then we lined up for that perfect picture moment. Brett became our photographer. Just wow. The sun hit the water and it was perfectly magically green. Oh,
I am having the best time cruising down the Colorado River. Brett is an amazing tour guide. He's given us lots of facts. He's making it really fun. We're having good gossip. And now they're doing trivia. That's why I'm not in it, because I'm terrible. 1 week I'm cruising the strip in a Lamborghini. Now I'm cruising the Colorado River in a kayak.
from an orange sports car to an orange life jacket.
I see a series, Cruising with Ali. Boop, boop.
We parked up the kayaks and went on a mini hike just to take in the views from up top. Brett also gave us lots of information on our surroundings. He even had us hunting for gold. Well, sparkly rocks. Brett really knows his stuff. He then showed us the house site of a river gouger. But I'll let him tell you more about that when you do the tour. He's amazing. He even makes his own beer.
We're drinking beer by Brett himself. This is fabulous. The taste of victory.
Cheers.
Cheers. Quick snack break, but I just want to say so far it's amazing. I'm having a blast. Everyone on the tour is loving it. So you're a very good instructor. I was slow at first, but you know, for us all, we're all different levels, and I think you've really helped us all.
It's a good pace, and the kayaks that we use are good beginner to intermediate kayaks.
Right.
If you have the right instruction, you can go from absolute beginner to very competent.
That's it. If you're a beginner or you're an expert at kayaking, make sure you check out this tour, because by the end, you're going to feel fabulous, whether it's from the beer or from all the lessons and skills. It's honestly a top tip from me. Some people just go straight to Caesar's Palace and don't see anything but after 3 days, but why not check out the beauty of Vegas? Cheers!
Cheers!
We're getting towards the end, but it's been so amazing. I'm not gonna lie, the heat today, it's been a lot, but just being, this water is cold, but it's so nice. We've had a wonderful group, an amazing tour guide, a great price. I like to do a bit of everything in Las Vegas, but this has been an incredible day. It feels like I'm on vacation. I can't believe we've been going for hours and my arms are still going. I feel like Popeye with these muscly arms. It's such a fun day out with your kids, family, friends, whoever, whether you're a good kayaker or not. But yes, I honestly think about all of the things I've done, This is definitely a must-do here in Las Vegas. It's easy to get to, you know, something a little bit different. The sun is shining, there's all this lovely nature. There's sheep, sheep, sheep.
There's even sheep.
Make sure you go online and check out Veteran Kayaks here at Las Vegas.
You won't regret it.
Roundabout with Ali has been fabulous. I've had the best day here at Veteran Kayaks. We all had so much fun. Make sure you check it out.